I am Marc with Milwaukee Irish Fest here with the High Kings. We just flew in mere hours ago from Ireland. They're a little jet lagged, but they're here at Shank Hall tonight. Guys, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourselves? Tell me a little bit about your instruments, what you guys play, the style of music.
Well,
have at it.
I'm Darren. I play mandolin, accordion. Actually, it's a lovely red and white accordion tonight. And I also play piano and sing.
Oh, sorry, I was just I play whistles, banjos, sleep lots as much as possible. Not on stage. Close harmonies all the way, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm Finbar from Caricature, Ken Tipperary, play guitar, sing.
How are you? I'm Brian from Dublin, and I play baron, guitar, and vocals.
You play vocals?
Apparently play vocals.
Yeah.
So you guys are at Shank Hall tonight, but you'll be at Milwaukee Irish Fest this August.
$5 Friday.
On $5 Friday.
$5 Friday.
It'll be your first time at the festival. We've got thousands of fans around the country. Tell us, what do you want to say to them?
Well, we're really looking forward to coming. We've heard Finbar played the festival many years ago, but we've been really looking forward to doing this one. It's the big one for us this year, and we hope many thousands and thousands of people come out and just have a great time with us. We're all about fun. It's a great time.
We've already experienced the festivals back last summer, so we're really looking forward to this one. We believe this is the one to be at, so it's going to be great.
It's the biggest Irish festival in the whole of America, so we can't wait to be there. We'll be there with Glasgow.
Yeah, come along, bring your singing voices, join in on the choruses, clap along, and have some fun with us. The High Kings.
So give $5.
Thanks a lot, guys. See you in August.
See you in August.
Thank you.
Bye now.